evaluate the integral of ln 2x over x ln x dx. So we apply first the product rule for logarithms on the numerator. That is, if we have ln of xy, it is equal to ln x plus ln y. So therefore, we'll have integral of ln 2x applying product rule. It's equal to ln 2 plus ln x over x ln x. And then we can distribute the x ln x or divide each term on the numerator by x ln x. So we'll have integral of ln 2 over x ln x plus ln x over x ln x. We can distribute the integral symbol. We'll have, so since ln 2 is just a constant, we just put it in front of the integral. We'll have ln 2 integral of 1 over x ln x dx plus integral of ln x over x ln x dx, which is actually, this ln x is cancelable. Therefore, we will just have 1 over x dx, right? So for the first integral, to evaluate this, we can apply u substitution. We can let u be equal to ln x. Then getting the derivative of u du, derivative of ln x is 1 over x dx, which is this term. So if we substitute, we'll have ln 2 integral of 1 over x dx, that's du, and then over ln x, which is u. So we'll have ln 2 integral of du over u, ln u. Then substitute back the u in terms of x, ln x will have ln 2 of ln of u, which is ln x. So this is the first integral. For the second integral, integral of 1 over x dx, it's just equal to ln x, right? So therefore, combining the two integrals, we add here ln x, and then don't forget to put plus c for the constant of integration. So this will be the final answer.